Hi people, welcome back to Sidey's vlog. We are back again with another reaction video, and today we are gonna treat you with the track from Youngsters. Again, we are gonna see Tala Anjum and Tala Yunis. This track I think you must have already listened to and have also watched the reaction videos of other channels as well, right? So I think this is going to be a treat again for you once again from Sidey's vlog. Okay, we're going to react on this track which is Laga Re and produced by Joke as always, right? Gonna see Tala Yunis and Tala Anjum. Sidey?
Absolutely. So first thing first, right? Youngsters, you guys know it, we love it, and they are close to our heart because of the songs that they have produced. And Laga Re is one of the epitome of all the great songs that they have done, and we have been getting a lot of requests to react on Laga Re, Stunner's Flow. There is album of Joke and it's coming, guys, so wait, have some patience. We will definitely react on everything that's coming our way. But let's see, man, this song is too good is what we have heard, and wait till the end because we don't like to pause and talk about it, but we will definitely give our honest and unbiased opinion at the end. And before we move on to the reaction, I'm sure you guys are liking the poll that we are posting every day. It's just for fun, right? Something related to hip hop and everything that's happening. So guys, do keep a watch on that, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe and do watch all the reactions that we do. So with that
people, I think we have to get into the reaction.
yeah, Laga Re, man, again, Youngsters. Okay, homies.
If I go, let him know I said ladke laga re, ladke laga re. If I go, let him know I said teri apni jagah hai, bro teri apni jagah hai. Let him know ke wo kar dil razamand jisme, let him know hum ek ruh do jism mein. Let him know ke koi mar ke bhi mare na, let him know yahan maut ki bhi किस्में. Hip hop अंधेरे में था और हम दोनों टॉर्च थे, डबल और ट्रिपल पे शो बजाने पहुंचते. अपनी जिंदगी थिएटर, गॉड्स प्ले, गॉड्स प्लान. कोशिश मेरे हाथ में, मैंने कोशिशों पे कोशिशें ही की हैं. ये मेरा तजुर्बा है, मेरी असलियत यही है. मेरे टैलेंट पे सोया था पूरा शहर. एक वक्त था कि अपने भी लगते थे मुझे गैर. कुछ नहीं मिलना रैप से, बोले घर वाले. अब वो घर वाले कहते घर में स्टूडियो बना ले. वक्त बदलता है, you just gotta do you. खुदा सबका है, मत होना उदास यूं. तेज नहीं ज्यादा भाग बेटा, ये मैराथन है रेस नहीं. समझा बात, मैं राइम में एडवाइस दे रहा, लाइफ चेंजिंग. डिग्री नहीं थी, डेडिकेशन से लाइफ चेंज हुई. दिख रही नहीं थी जो चीजें वो अब है नजर में. मेरा क्या बनता, म्यूजिक छोड़ देता अगर मैं बांट दूं तो भी बचे मुझे 7 फिगर्स. मुझे लाइनें कराती आके गोल्ड डिगर्स. सोना मुझ पे हराम एंड सो इज लिकर. मैं तेरी तरह एक इंसान ही हूँ जिगर. मैंने टाइम लगाया, कोई नहीं बोला मुझे लगा रहे, तो मैंने खुद को बोला बस तू अपना सगा रहे और लगा रहे. If I go, let him know I said लड़के लगा रहे, लड़के लगा रहे. If I go, let him know I said तेरी अपनी जगह है, ब्रो तेरी अपनी जगह है. Let him know कि वो कर दिल रजामंद जिसमें, let him know हम एक रूह दो जिस्म में. Let him know कि कोई मर के भी मरे ना, let him know यहाँ मौत की भी किस्में.
बेमिसाल थे मेरी के बेमिसाल हूँ मैं. टपका दूं राल लोग तरसते पर निढालूं मैं. खुद से सवाल अपनी ही बातों का जवाब दूं मैं. लगा रहे ये दुनिया में सर घुमा दूं. I feel like Kanye, ये जिंदगी कहानी है. अब मानिए ना मानिए भाई, कभी तो हार मानिए. ज़बानी याद है गाने अपने सारे डेवंस रामी है. बहु रामी आजा खेलें बर्फ पानी. फिर मेरा कोई सानी नहीं, मद्दे मुकाबिल नहीं, पत्थर रानी पे बोल जानी. असल जारी तभी दाढ़ी बढ़ती जा रही है. कंधे मेरे भारी तभी ठंडे जैसे नारियल. मैं आज हूँ जानी कल नहीं, बोए हैं बीज तू भी खाएगा ये फल ए घर वाले कहते तेरे अब छोड़ दे तू पढ़ भाई मैं लगा रहा मैं कैसे छोड़ूं अपना घर भाई हिप हॉप में पैसा नहीं फिर भी कमाया भाई मैं तेरे जैसा नहीं है रास्ता खुद बनाया भाई डॉलर लगाया नहीं क्यों करूं पैसा जाया भाई इज्जत देने वाला रब मैंने सिर्फ वक्त लगाया भाई खान ने बुलाया पर किराया नहीं 4M जानी स्टूडेंट कार्ड चलाया मिलके खाया शो बजाया पैसा आया पर छुपाया नहीं मैं जैसे निप्सी असल इतनी वजन आया ही नहीं
If I go let him know I said लड़के लगा रहे लड़के लगा रहे If I go let him know I said तेरी अपनी जगह है ब्रो तेरी अपनी जगह है Let him know कि वो कर दिल रजामंद जिसमें Let him know हम एक रूह दो जिस्म में Let him know कि कोई मर के भी मरे ना Let him know यहाँ मौत की भी किस्में
So their childhood characters are also like killer, man. Yeah. तेरी अपनी जगह है, guys. तेरी अपनी जगह है. I think that's the word, man. That's the word which is attached to both of us, man. This song is. What do you say, Ringo?
Beautiful, beautiful.
Motivating, inspirational. I think there are no adjectives to describe this, man. It's like beyond everything, man. I think
Exactly, you're right, Sailesh.
one of the best track of YS for sure. We'll talk about it, guys. Come on.
That was
My
Laga
God.
Re from Youngsters. Amazing song, and I don't know how we kind of missed that song earlier, but this is one of the beautiful and the best songs that I've ever heard, and it is definitely going to be played numerous times, of course, okay, because this is kind of relatable in our life as well. I would say that, because no matter whatever you do or you are doing in your life, this is something which is similar and applies to you as well, right?
Yeah.
And they were literally kind of it's a kind of refreshment for them as well, because they were talking about their hip hop
Journey.
genre, right, from where they belong to. From the childhood they were into rap songs, hip hop, and they don't bother of anything else apart from what they are doing right now. So I think-
Absolutely. So I think very nicely covered, Dimple. Thank you for that. But see, vocal quality of both of them is like unmatched. We have told numerous number of time. But what is so interesting about this video is the flow, the videography, and the storyline. My God, this is like a movie, man, a complete movie.
exactly, I agree with you, Sailesh.
Right, so their true life story is depicted from what they were in childhood, their dedication for hip hop, and the success, and now inspiring others to be like them. Right, so it starts with if I know, let them know. I said ladke laga race, right? So whatever happens to them, but they were always supporting hip hop. I think that is how this song starts, and that is a beautiful start. And then there are lines about hip hop andhere mein tha, and we were the torch bearers, right? So we were the light to ensure that hip hop stays in wherever they are. And what a beautiful and a strong statement, man. And things were not easy, right? So people there didn't accept hip hop the way it was, and it's tough, right? In every part of the world, hip hop took a really long time to come into the forefront or come into the commercial arena.
And I think it's still going on, right?
Yeah,
I think people need to
absolutely.
accept, because we are in the 21st century.
Yeah.
People of any age has to really listen to what hip hop song is all about.
Yeah.
So it's all about reality, right? If you just
So I think they have told a very beautiful story, man, in this entire
exactly I
song.
think, yeah.
And we are just so humbled and thankful to the story depiction that both of them have done. And Joke per se, man, he is a hidden gem hiding somewhere. But I think to cover some more points, right? So one is, things were not easy, right? So they struggled so much. They had their own hustle. Even in childhood, they used to stay in a room and practice hip hop. And they didn't get support from their parents. They didn't get support from the religious angle as well, because some things are not considered to be nice, or some things are not considered to be, what do you say, man? The usual way of thing, right? You guys know what I mean. But they struggle their way out. And did they stop there? No. So they did. They are now achievers. But what they are doing is they are showing a torch to everybody else who wants to come this way. They say that it's not dark. It's you need to struggle. You need to have some talent.
Obvious.
You will get success, man. What a motivating song, man, for all the young aspirant who wants to learn, who wants to sing and all. So I think kudos, thumbs up to this song, the entire cast. And we are humbled, man, to react on such a legendary song, man. What do you say, Dimple?
Yes, exactly, Sailesh. I agree with you.
So with that, let's put this to an end. I think I can talk for hours, man. This is like such a beautiful topic and such a beautiful portrayed emotions. So with that, if somebody is new to the channel, if you like what we are doing, do subscribe. Take care, support.
Yeah.
And
Please do
bye.
subscribe, people.
Yeah.
I think you are watching our reactions, right? So do not hesitate to subscribe, yeah.
Yeah. Bye.